In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Yoast SEO data. Whether you're moving your website to a new host or simply want to ensure your SEO settings are safely backed up, exporting your Yoast SEO data is a crucial task. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step to ensure you can do it confidently. To get started, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, locate the Yoast SEO plugin. You will find it on the left-hand side among the menu options. Click on it, and a drop-down will appear, showcasing several tools and settings that Yoast offers. From this list, select Tools. Now, within the Tools section, you'll see various options including Import and Export. Click on that. Next, direct your attention to the top of the page where you will see the Export tab. Clicking on this tab will prepare all your Yoast SEO settings for export. What happens here is that Yoast generates all your configurations in a text format, wrapping them neatly in what are known as WP SEO blocks. This format is designed specifically to be reused within Yoast, ensuring a smooth import process later on. Once the text is generated, you'll need to copy it. Be sure to select all the text from the opening WP SEO block to the closing one to make sure you don't miss any part of your configuration. Once copied, open your text editor of choice. This could be something simple and readily available like Notepad or TextEdit. In your text editor, paste what you've copied. The next step is to save this text as a .text file. The default saving option might be a different format, so make sure to specifically select .txt to avoid any compatibility issues later on. This file will now serve as a backup of your current Yoast SEO settings. If in the future you need to import this data into another WordPress site, the process is just as simple. Again, navigate to the WordPress dashboard of the new site and go into Yoast SEO under Tools and then Import and Export. This time, you'll go to the Import tab. Here, you'll paste the text from your TXT file into the provided field. Once pasted, go ahead and click Import Settings. And there you have it. You've successfully exported and saved your Yoast SEO data and even learned how to import it to another site. This ensures you maintain your SEO consistency, even if you decide to migrate or back up your site. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips like this.